Hello everyone, for today's tutorial, I will going to show you how to set up file mapping and folder restriction. First step we will going to do is create a folder in the desktop of the server. For example, name it as BSIT4C files. Go to Start button of the server, click Administrative Tools, and go to Active Directory, Users, and Computers. May magpapakita dito na iba't ibang user na kung saan dito natin i-share ang ginawa nating folder. The next step is go to BSIT4C files, then right click and go to Properties. Go to Sharing, then click Share. Click Everyone in the permission level. Click Read and Write, then Share, and Done. After that, we'll go to Advanced Sharing and check Share Folder and go to Permissions. Check all the Allow in the permission for everyone, then Apply and OK. The next step na gagawin natin is to copy the network path and click the close button. Click the start menu, go to Administrative Tools, and then look for the Group Policy Management. Go to the BSIT4C folder, right click, and then click the Create GPO. After that, we will name it as folder map. Then click the OK button. So we are now done creating a GPO. The next step is just click and go to Edit. Then go to User Configuration, and then Preferences, and expand the window settings. And look for the drive maps. Right click the drive maps and click the new, then map drive. In the action, choose the wait. Next step is under the location. Paste the network path we had copied in the BSIT4C files. Next step is just check the reconnect. In the label part, put the name of the folder created in the desktop, which is BSIT4C files. And then dito, mamimili lang tayo kung saan natin ilalagay. Then, we will just choose Show this drive and Apply, and then OK. And now we already created file mapping for the BSIT4C files. After that, we go to Start button of the server, then type Run or Update GPU update or force. After updating the policy successfully, before we go to the client, we will check again who are the users in BSIT4C. Go to Directory, Computers, and then we will go now to our client users. User F is already logged in here. We will also update the policy here. Just type Run or the GPU update /force. And OK. In order to update the policy completed, we need to log off the user F. Just type the Y. As you can see, the folder name bs84c files created by the server is now successfully shared. Let's see if the server can now monitor what user F do. For example, I will create a new folder to name as user F files. If the server can access and monitor what user F do. Next is apply security and access control in every users. Just click user F files and go to properties. Go to security, then advanced. Then go to change permissions. Uncheck the include editable, then click the add. And here we will just remove everyone in the system, only the administrator or the server and the user F to have access in the folder files of the user F. Remove that and the last one. I will add user F here. Go to advanced, just go to find now, find user F and then click OK. Allow all the permissions, then click the OK button. Click apply and then the OK. As you can see, only the administrator and the server and the user F have the permissions to access the file. And here is another user bs84c, which is the user G, age I and J. So now I will log in another user, which is the user G. Next step is go to computer of user G, then click the bs84c, and here we're going to create a folder for user G. New folder, and we will name it as user G files. As you can see, the server is accessing the folder we put. Next thing to do is apply security and access control in every users. Click security, then advanced, go to change permissions, and check all the include inheritable, then add. And here we'll just remove everyone in the system, only the server and user G to have access in the folder. And we will add here the user G. Go to advanced, just go to find now, find user G, then click OK. Allow all the permissions and then OK. Click apply and OK. And now we are done applying the security in every folder. The user G will try to open the file of user F if she or he will access it. As you can see, the user G will open the files of user F. In your desktop will pop up a file is not accessible. Here we will put a text document inside the folder files of user G. We will put a text access the files we put. Here, the server successfully accessed the files we put in the folders. That's all guys. Thank you for watching. God bless us all. Bye!